It's Larry and Brian. We're back again. This time, Millennia series speakers from Paradigm. Brian.
Thanks a lot, Larry. Paradigm's history is now 30 years young, and it's a great achievement for our company, and it's been a great achievement for a lot of folks who love music and love great movies. The Millennial 1 is what we're talking about today, and for our company it was a bit of a new direction. We've always made very high-end loudspeakers, but we've never made very, very small high-end loudspeakers until now. The Millennial 1, as you can see, is a very compact design, but what it's hiding is some very high-end technology. The entire enclosure is die-cast. We've got an inverted aluminum base mid-range driver with a very high level of accuracy. The aluminum dome tweeter, a 1-inch dome tweeter that you would see in things like our SE1 and even our reference line product. The advantages of a metal enclosure mean that resonances or vibrations in the enclosure are reduced to very low levels. So while this may be a small speaker physically, it is a very high-end, very faithful, very accurate loudspeaker for audio or for film. Partner it with the Millennial 1 subwoofer and you really have something extraordinary. This is actually a design of our custom product. We designed and created a new oval bass driver with a very long excursion thanks to something called a corrugated non-limiting surround. Hard to believe, but this little subwoofer will play close to 20 hertz, and best of all, it can do it wirelessly. So you can have 5 speakers anywhere you want them in the room for pinpoint imaging. You could put this under a couch, behind a couch, in a corner, and you get that deep visceral bass thanks to a 300-watt high current amplifier and the perfect bass kit, which means we can use a laptop computer and the talented folks here at Digital Future Now to create virtually perfect frequency response in your room. And in our next segment, I'm going to go into more detail on how ARC works, anthem room correction, and the perfect bass kit to get the best possible sound, not in a studio, not in a theater, but in your living room. Thanks so much for your time.
Thanks, Brian. And yes, I highly recommend to come in here and listen to these because they will blow you away. So thank you very much. We'll see you next chapter.